Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be reacting to Karens versus judges. Let's see how it goes. So Karens, I'm sure you already know what they are, so let's just get into it.
Welcome to today's video, where we'll be examining instances of judges handling situations involving individuals commonly known as Karens, and showcasing moments where they face consequences.
I'm not lying, I said be quiet, you understand me?
Or challenges.
Being shot.
I hate every person in this.
This defendant clearly has an idea of what she was doing as the judge shows her her place.
May it please the court, Your Honor. Paul Nicoletti appearing on behalf of myself.
Good afternoon, Judge Karen Stevens.
Let's see how this one
for my
goes.
motion for sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this vexatious and frivolous PPO.
I'm sorry, on this what?
I have a motion for sanctions against...
I know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense. I am not stalking Mr.
I
Nicoletti.
haven't signed a PPO.
His petition for a PPO. Let me...
Okay, were you served?
No, I wasn't, but...
No, you may not. How can you ask to sanction someone when you haven't even been served?
That's the point.
Ms. Stevens, do not interrupt me when I'm speaking, ma'am.
I have a constitutional right to be heard.
Yeah, I understand you have a right to be heard, but that's a courtroom, not an open forum. There's a courtroom where the court belongs to the judge, right?
On what basis? There is no case before me, ma'am, other than the fact that you filed this frivolous motion, taking up this court's time for no good reason other than your own personal vendetta against this man for whatever reason you may have, and I really don't care because it does not involve me or my court. However, had I issued a PPO, you would have a basis to be before me. I did not issue a PPO. He did not pursue his right to a hearing on the PPO. You were never served, and here you are taking up my time so that you want me to chastise him and make him pay money? No, ma'am. Your relief is denied, and in addition to that, I am sanctioning you with costs of $500 forthwith to the county clerk's office.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I knew it was...
Why is that necessary, man? Why do you put yourself in such a situation to be fined $500 for your stupidity, man? Why? Why do you have to do that?
I am sanctioning you with costs of $500 forthwith to the county clerk's office.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I knew it was fixed.
I beg your pardon?
I said I knew it was fixed.
Rookie mistake, one. That was a rookie mistake. You don't see that to a judge, man. You don't see that to a judge, man. Those people take things really personal because they feel they have the control over people's lives. So you don't bow them out to them, man.
Miss Stevens, I highly suggest that you just exit my courtroom and go pay the sanctions before I find you in contempt.
Now, where do I go?
At the clerk's office in the main part of the courthouse.
All right.
Next up, we have a woman getting caught in a lie, and the judge has no mercy.
In Alaska?
Who's Cynthia Miller?
That's my mom.
Okay, you just cost her $7,500 for not coming to court. She's going to lose that.
$7,500 for not coming to court. I think this case happened during COVID because this looks like a Zoom judge court session, man.
There's no way that,
And that was a cash bond, it looks like. We have to decide what to do about that warrant. Ms. Gillette, what's your thought on that? Do you have a position on whether it's lifted or not?
I'm fine being lifted if she calls court services every week.
Under Sheriff Cox, does your office take a position on what to do about that warrant?
Yes, Your Honor, I do. Because I have information that she's actually in Pueblo, Colorado, not Alaska.
Pueblo?
Yes.
No.
Who is the gentleman?
I think what's happening here should be that this lady is supposed to be in court and she's lying about her location. And like this sheriff, or I don't know why they call them sheriffs. I know it's black sheriff. Yeah, what this sheriff is saying, she's not at home or something like that. I think so.
Someone walking around behind you in the picture a while ago.
His name's Dale.
Dale what?
Dale Whitman.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Can you put your face in this camera, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize that was on the video. I apologize for my appearance.
Okay. All right. Where do you live?
I live in Green Mountain Falls, Colorado.
And you're at home right now?
I am.
All right. Thank you, sir. Miss Green?
My lady is busted, man. She's busted. This is a smart, very smart judge, man. She's busted.
You just lied to me. Remember when this hearing started? You said you were in Alaska?
Oh.
Why'd you lie to me? You realize you put me in a position where I can't trust anything you tell me now. Well, I was ready to set aside your warrant.
Like, the judge is so relaxed, man. I wish all judges are like that, man. She's so relaxed while talking to her, man. She's like, yo, whatever.
You lied and said you were in Alaska, and I find out you're in Colorado. And does that change anybody's recommendations since she flat lied?
I think the warrant should stand, Your Honor.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. We're going to leave that warrant out for you.
Please, is there any way that you can just lift the warrant? I'm so
Well, I would have if you hadn't lied to me.
I'm so sorry.
Well, I'm going to have you sit there for a little bit while I think about what I'm going to do with you, okay?
Moving on, we have a judge who has to deal with the outburst of the Karen.
Stevie Don Coulter. Are you Stevie Don Coulter? Pardon me?
Yes, sir.
Right away, there seems to be something slightly off with the defendant.
Are you all right, Mrs. Coulter? I can't hear you. You have a really bad headache? Anything else wrong with you? Well, we'll go ahead and have this pre-trial, but a couple things I want to talk about. I have a report from the probation department that she's been testing positive for gabapentin, marijuana, methamphetamine, amphetamine.
I just have a question. Does it even test for gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
What's that now?
Does it test for gabapentin on a 10-panel drug test?
Okay.
I mean, I'm a very intelligent person, and I know a lot.
No. You don't look like an intelligent person, man. You should have shut up when the judge was talking.
And I just look stuff up all the time.
Coulter then brings up what she believes is a discrepancy in her arrest report.
In this statement from the police, from this one, it says, then I identified female Stevie Coulter, not Stevie Coulter identified herself. So he arrested me based off of...
Okay, well, that's not what we're here about here today, Miss.
She definitely is a smart one. She definitely is a... As she claims, she's not smart.
Coulter, it's clear that you're not in a situation.
But they lied also, though, Judge.
You don't interrupt me, Miss Coulter.
Hair and everything. I was denied access to the videos.
Miss Coulter, be quiet.
It wrong.
Be quiet. Don't speak.
Because they lied.
Be quiet, I said. I'm not lying. I said be quiet. You understand me?
They lied.
By now, the judge seems to have had enough.
Yeah. Everyone would have enough of a Karen, man.
All right, I'm holding you in contempt, and you're going to be sentenced to jail for 10 days. Miss Coulter, you're disrupting this proceeding.
I promise you, I'm not trying to be like that.
Yeah,
but it's black and right. It's right there.
All right.
I highlighted it. Then I identified within the first 3 lines.
I don't even know what you're...
But why is that important to the case, man? The judge is reading a sentence or whatever is reading. You should keep quiet and listen.
Talking about, because it has nothing to do with what we're here for today.
The police officer that arrested me, it was wrongful arrest, and then I had 5 cops on me.
All right, you have an attorney.
I had 5 cops on me.
Miss Coulter.
And your attorney is sitting just right there, and you are talking over the judge and stuff. This lady's case is going to be worse, man.
have an attorney.
I wasn't even being what. I didn't even touch that girl. That was my only form
Take
of
her into
defense.
custody. Put a cuff on her.
I don't give her This is wrong. You're telling me this trial.
As she's taken away, Coulter delivers a parting shot.
I hate every person in this.
The judge is very
I think that was a very bad move by that lady. Very bad move.
surprised with this lady.
What do you do for a living?
I don't work.
So what
You don't work?
do you do during the day?
Nothing.
You don't want to work?
No.
I think I've seen this video on Instagram before. One.
No.
So you're just living off of his child support?
I am. And we live with our mother.
And you're proud of that?
Well, we were living with him, and I was a stay-at-home mom. He made the income.
But you can work now, right?
I can, but...
No, but you can go get a job, right?
I could, but I'm not going to. My rent's free. My food is free. My mom's the homeowner. We don't have to pay nothing.
Who covers health insurance?
I do.
What I'm going to do is give you credit, actually. Bring your child support down.
Down?
Monthly, yes, slightly. It's still expensive. $1,093 a month.
That's it?
Well, it would be more if you get a job.
He would pay more if I got a job?
No, it would be more for the child if you got a job.
Well, it seems that judges can be Karens as well.
You must follow the law. The law says
Mr.
you must
Freeman.
stay proceedings.
Okay, and they have. We're rolling to see if we get an answer. What would you
You
like
cannot
me to
roll the case. You don't have jurisdiction to roll the case. That's exactly what I'm saying.
what are you asking me to do? You
I am
don't
asking
need to
for
do
you
anything.
to wait until the answer is received downstairs in the district clerk's office. They will distribute a copy of Chief Justice Minton's order to your honor and to my office. Once we each have a copy, we will know what to do. Do we have a special judge, or do you regain jurisdiction? You cannot hold my client, our experts, his police officers, to come to court every single day at 1 o'clock. It just doesn't work that way. The law is clear.
Rolling her eyes gets this woman in more trouble than she is already in.
We can roll your eyes, but it happens every day. And Ms. Morgan, I don't need to hear anything from you. You've already had your opportunity to speak. So you can roll your eyes, but that's exactly what happens. And guess what? Miss Constant.
But how is the judge able to know if she rolls her eyes? The camera looks a bit far, though. I don't know if they zoomed in or something.
Mr. Butler.
And this guy looks like he's in jail, man. Yeah, he's in jail.
And I would not be employed if we didn't have folks like you that reoffend. And I kind of wish that I didn't have that job because...
This lady tried to lie to the judge and went from happy and smiley to shocked and worried pretty quick.
Has anybody promised you anything, threatened you, or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea? No. All right, Counsel, you can please part of your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while
Man, she looks like she doesn't care what they say, man. She really doesn't care. I'm sure this judgment will be so quick.
while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your... enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that would be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took.
I think her lawyer is doing a good job helping reduce her sentence. But why is the video saying she's smiling? Also?
And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So
I'll do the days. I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am. Let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
This Karen is a dumb one. She's doing a huge disservice to the Karens, man. Why? You are getting shorter sentence because your lawyer asked for it, and now you're saying you don't need it. Yo, like, I'm going to react to the full thing in the next video, guys. Just keep it light. My videos are very long these days. I just want to keep it short. But let's just complete this and then we'll continue the rest later.
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know.
Ma'am, you asked for treatment. So why did you ask for treatment?
Get out of jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
That's the dumbest way to get out of jail. Why would you do that to yourself, man? Why?
Okay. So, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year,
Oh, now I see the smile on her face. She thinks she's smart.
Don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know.
So she needs more time by herself in there, Judge. I think that's what she's saying.
I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, ma'am, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
Not.
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
I know. If I get probation this time, I told myself, like, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get.
Why is she taking the whole court session like it's not something serious? Why is she using it? She's smiling like she's not taking it serious. I don't think she is.
Like clean and by summertime I'd be.
Why do people mess their life up like you Americans are some weird ass people?
Working. I really want to get a car. But aside
25 and she's talking like a child. Like every kid here in Ghana, age 19 or 80 will be laughing at this one.
The job thing, just, I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to...
You're so delusional and crazy, man. So very childish, man.
Do things for myself, and I don't...
This is what you are saying in your defense, so... Oh, God.
I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in here. So I haven't been...
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff, right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to.
Asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve, ma'am.
$138, that's like what? That's like half a year, man. Like half a year, like 6 months or 5 months, man. That's a lot for being stupid.
We're all done. Thank you. Off the record. Have a good day.
This Karen
Yeah, guys, like, catch you in the next one, man. Catch you in the next one, because I talk a lot and I talk very slowly, so I think I would have to move this to another video, man. Catch you in the next one, guys.